Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. There are two areas which are under discussion nowadays by government circles, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan has also, while talking to the newsmen, talked about it. And one is that the early election of Senate, instead of March, it should be conducted in February 2021. And second is the elections, instead of secret ballot, it should be open ballot, like show of hands. So first of all, early elections. So as per Constitution of Pakistan and the other laws relating to Election Commission of Pakistan, there is no bar to conduct elections in February, because there is window of 30 days, and the government through Election Commission, certainly it has to be decided by the Election Commission of Pakistan about the date of Senate elections. And of course, because government is also stakeholder and the other stakeholders, they can give suggestion to the Election Commission, and Election Commission of Pakistan can consider that suggestion, and election can be conducted from 9th of February to onward 30 days. So there is window of 30 days starting from 9th of February. So there is no such problem if Election Commission is convinced to conduct these elections little early. Second thing is that to conduct elections of the Senate by show of hands or by open ballots. As you know that under Article 2 to 6, the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, all the elections except elections of Prime Minister of Pakistan and Chief Ministers of the provinces conducted by secret ballot. So this is categorically, clearly mentioned in the Constitution of Pakistan. So government is thinking to file a reference to the Supreme Court of Pakistan and get advice on it. But as per constitutional lawyer, what I feel that apparently the Constitution is very clear, and without amending the relevant article, which is 226, it is not possible to change the mode of election, like from secret to open or show of hands. And for that reason, the amendment in Article 226 can be made only with the majority of both houses of parliament, that is Senate and National Assembly, a majority of 2/3. So this is the only way. And as far as sending reference to the Supreme Court of Pakistan under Article 186, which is relating to advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, as you know that Supreme Court has 4 or 5 jurisdiction. Number one is original jurisdiction, and second is appellate jurisdiction, then revisional jurisdiction, then judicial review, then advisory. So in advisory jurisdiction, President of Pakistan can refer any matter to the Supreme Court of Pakistan seeking the advice of the court. Advice is received from the Supreme Court, that is called the opinion of the Supreme Court, not the judgment or not the decision. That is merely opinion and advice of the Supreme Court, not the verdict of Supreme Court. And but morally, of course, if an opinion is given by Supreme Court, which is august forum in the judiciary of Pakistan, if that is advice is sought and advice is given, generally governments, they act upon that advice because of moral pressure, you can say, mentioning in Article 2 to 6 that the elections will be conducted by secret ballots except the elections of Prime Minister and Chief Minister of Pakistan, Chief Minister of provinces. So I don't think that Supreme Court will or may give any such advice to overrule this article, which is very much it should take into confidence the other parties, other mainstream political parties. So after having meeting with these parties and taking them into confidence, an amendment may be tabled before the parliament to change the mode of election of senators from secret to open ballot. Actually, if you go back during the previous elections of Senate, there were, you see, observation of almost all mainstream political parties in Pakistan that there were some malpractices during those elections. So I think every political party will be in a position or will like that there should be some type of change in order to stop that possible malpractice in the elections of the Senate again. So this is my point of view. Thank you very much. Keep me in your praise. Assalamu alaikum.